Times. Fame. Choice.
You know, I saw pictures of when I was in Paris, and like pretty much this kind of like outlining this crazy year that I had. It's pretty surreal to see it in this mirrored room.
So flexible.
It's a pleasure for me to be here, and I'm very happy that Samsung asked me to be a part of this.
Well, baby, don't wear nothing else when I open up the store. Don't you play? Ain't no other man gonna make you feel the same. Thank you guys.
Difficult. Giant.
I didn't know Samsung made televisions that size of the curved TV, and I turned it on. It was just like kind of just like a hallelujah kind of moment. So thank you, Samsung, for making me very envious of not having that in my living room.
I'm only one. I'm only one. Call away. Thank you, Samsung, once again.